The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy, Qualcomm's latest flagship chip. And this is not just about making the phone a little faster on paper. The new processor affects almost everything you do on the phone, from Galaxy AI and gaming to camera processing, multitasking, battery life, and even privacy features. So in this video, let's take a closer look at how the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy improves AI and performance on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Welcome back to SamMobile TV, you're here with Max. Compared to the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy inside the Galaxy S25 Ultra, the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy brings 39% faster AI processing, 24% better GPU performance, and 19% faster CPU performance. That means Galaxy AI features can run faster, games should feel smoother, apps should open and switch more quickly, and the phone has more power available for demanding tasks. The biggest improvement is the upgraded NPU, or Neural Processing Unit. And on the Galaxy S26 Ultra, this is very important because more and more Galaxy AI features rely on fast AI processing directly on the device. Features like Now Brief and Now Bar use AI to surface useful information, reminders, daily updates, and other relevant details throughout the day. Another key improvement is efficiency. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy is built on a newer 3nm process. In simple terms, that means the chip can do more work while using less power. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might be running AI features, processing photos, reducing noise in video, handling notifications, and keeping apps open in the memory at the same time. A more efficient chip helps the phone do all of that while using less battery and producing less heat. So even though the phone is faster, the goal is not just higher benchmark scores, the goal is also better sustained performance and better battery efficiency. And that brings us to cooling. To help the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 perform at its best, Samsung has also redesigned the cooling system inside the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The phone now uses the largest vapor chamber Samsung has ever put in a Galaxy S Ultra device. That is important because powerful chips generate heat, especially when you are gaming, editing video, recording high-resolution footage, or using demanding AI features. A larger vapor chamber helps pull heat away from the processor more effectively, so the Galaxy S26 Ultra can keep its performance higher for longer. In real life, that should mean fewer slowdowns during longer gaming sessions, smoother video editing, and better performance when the phone is under heavy load. The new processor also plays a role in the camera. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy includes an advanced selfie AI ISP. That means the chip helps the front camera process images more intelligently, especially in difficult lighting. For example, it can help capture more natural skin tones and textures in low light, so selfies should look better without looking too artificial. And it's not just about selfies. Modern smartphone cameras do a lot of processing in the background whenever you take a photo or record a video. Multitasking also benefits from the new chip. The faster CPU and GPU help the Galaxy S26 Ultra feel more responsive when switching between apps, using split screen, editing photos, playing games, or using Galaxy AI features in the background. And if you go for the 1TB version of the Galaxy S26 Ultra, you also get 16GB of RAM. The other Galaxy S26 Ultra versions come with 12GB, which is still more than enough for everyday use, but if you do a lot of heavy multitasking, gaming, video editing, or use Galaxy AI features throughout the day, the 16GB version gives you some extra headroom. That means the phone has more room to keep apps and AI processes open at the same time, especially when you're doing several demanding things at once. Overall, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy is not just about higher benchmark scores. It helps the Galaxy S26 Ultra feel faster, smoother, and more efficient in everyday use while giving Samsung more power for AI, camera processing, gaming, multitasking, and privacy features. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.